Alright, your bunny time. Make sure you make your table from the words. You can make a table. Make sure you label it. M for months, T for bunnies, or whatever you need to. But you can't have just X and Y when you have an actual situation. You begin with 2, and every pair gives you 4. So that after the first month you now have 6. After 2 months you have 18. And we can notice from there that definitely there is a multiplication pattern, which then... Oh well, here's an example. The 2 bunnies will give, so every pair gives you 4. So 2 is a pair, and that gives you 4, which gives you 6 at the end of the first month. And the 7th month will give you 4,374, and we'll show you soon how you get that if you don't want to keep multiplying by 3 and creating all those numbers. Now, because we know the initial value is 2. Oh, look at all this work. Hold on, time out. Yeah. So we know the initial value is 2. You start with 2, therefore your first number is 2. And it multiplies by 3. Bam. So 3 right there. From there we can graph it. And I just did a generic exponential graph because when we have this without h and k's, it's pretty a typical graph, except you don't go before 0. You do not draw anything over here because you don't have negative bunnies in a real world situation. Now, how we get the 4,374 is you plug in your 7 and do 3 to the 7th power. If you see how powerful that is, 3 to the 7th power, 7 3s gives you 2,187. You multiply it to the 2 and you get 4,374 bunnies. You have your words, which begins this, then you have your table, you have your rule or equation, and we have our graph. So all 4 faces of the function are here, and when you investigate, and that was the first word, investigate, you must show everything. Just like a detective going into a situation, investigating, they give every piece of evidence they can. Alright? Okay, thank you.